Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, today we are driving through what they call the Golden Triangle area in St. Andrew, Jamaica. And this is like the Ligoni area, but one thing you're going to notice is a lot of apartments. I think this is probably the area that has the most apartments in it. This area has more apartments than any other area in Jamaica. There are literally thousands of homes in this area. Of apartments, sorry. So we passed some on the left a while ago. Straight ahead you have a few more. And we're going to tilt the camera to the left so you can get a better view. But the apartments are on both sides of the road. Now the properties in this area, they are on large lots. So you have the home and then you have a lot of land space. So a lot of developers buy the property, tear down the house and build these complexes. Okay, look on the right. As we turn, look on the left now. And you're going to see just how much land space is on this property. Where you see the zinc fence, that's another complex that's under construction. On the right, that's Campion College, which is one of the top schools in Jamaica. We're now on Hope Road. And we're going to turn back at the stoplight here, turn left and go on to Donhead Avenue, and you're going to see a lot more apartments. complex on the right is actually a new one that just finished. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe.